This product is used in one of the most advanced dental technologies in the world. Dentists are using this product to take real-time 3D scans for dental reconstruction, and our product connects this wand to the computer system. The work instructions for this product were collaboratively developed between ourselves and our OEM customer. This product had never been built before, and they were really leaning on our expertise in order to fine-tune the instructions. The components for this assembly include a custom-made cable, a USB-C connector with an integrated PCB, as well as a mold set which we fabricated to overmold the entire assembly. The assembly process of this product includes preparing the very small 28 gauge wires using a microscope to solder these wires onto the PCB of the USB-C connector, and then placing the product into a mold set to completely encapsulate the part. Promark was the perfect partner for this customer in the medical sector because we not only looked at the quality of the product, but also aesthetically and ergonomically how it would fit with their end customer.